Interested in building your home server or cloud but don't feel like going through the trouble? In this video, we'll be comparing some of the best options among 2026 home server OS: Umbrel, CasaOS, and OpenMediaVault. First, let's take a look at Umbrel. Umbrel is an elegant home server OS that aims for simplicity and privacy. Umbrel runs on Raspberry Pi, Mini PC, or regular x86 computers. This allows you to easily set up a gorgeous interface to deploy apps such as Nextcloud, Uptime Kuma, MB, Bitcoin nodes, and many more. Umbrel is free and open source, featuring an excellent looking app store and intuitive design. However, the major drawback of Umbrel lies in the fact that the software doesn't offer any native functions of NAS, such as RAID. Then we have CasaOS. CasaOS is a personal cloud dashboard based on Docker that has a very modern and tablet-like user interface. The dashboard provides you with an easy Docker installation of apps, a straightforward dashboard UI, basic file management options, and control over Docker containers without having to do anything else. CasaOS is totally free, super lightweight, and very flexible due to being deployed above ordinary Linux distributions. What makes CasaOS great is its ability to combine simplicity with file management that works flawlessly even across different hardware types within 5 minutes. CasaOS takes a cake for ease of installation for most people. Then lastly, we have OpenMediaVault or OMV. OMV is a NAS OS based on the Debian operating system that comes with enterprise-level features such as SSH, SMB, FTP, built-in plugins, and other advanced storage options. The configuration of software RAID, disk management, file management, and network services is done using an advanced web GUI. It is completely free and open source software, however, not easy for beginners to use. OpenMediaVault is the most mature and stable option when it comes to storage-oriented environments, being the king of NAS features including advanced disk pooling, file sharing protocols, and advanced disk management, although more challenging when it comes to containers management. So, which one is the best? Umbrel is great for privacy-first app self-hosting and simplified app store. Works perfectly for crypto nodes and simple applications but lacks in storage architecture capabilities. CasaOS is the most user-friendly option when it comes to easy management, a variety of apps, and 95% satisfaction in just 5 minutes, making it the perfect solution for personal cloud with simple data exchange. OpenMediaVault has the richest storage architecture capabilities, including the king of them all, RAID support, file sharing capabilities, and disk level management, but it has the highest level of difficulty. If you're looking for privacy first app self-hosting, go with Umbrel. If you need a solution that is easy to work with and set up in just several minutes, try out CasaOS. If you need an advanced solution for network attached storage management, go for OMV. Experiment and choose what works best for you. Comment your choice below and subscribe for more.